Hello. I am touching one more point relating to the accounting aspect, particularly in respect of the private limited companies. What happens, particularly when industry unit gets subsidy? Normally we capitalize as a reserves and surplus. As far as income tax is concerned, yes, 43 one explanation 10 will apply and will reduce the proportionate amount every year what we receive either as a GST refund or the electricity refund or even the interest cost, because these are the three components which are picked by the PSI, maybe 13 or any government circular. So in private limited, particularly suppose if a private limited gets an industrial subsidy of say 20 lakhs rupees in a particular year, the accounting standard says that in 10 years you should write off that amount and make it zero. There I am stuck up. What should be done? Because I have already given an effect in income tax by reducing that much portion from the proportionate cost of each asset, applying 43 explanation 10 in a as per wording. For that purpose, the eligibility certificate shows some 4 items or 5 items: land, building, machinery, electrification, etc. So whenever that amount is received, the particular percentage or as per the eligibility certificate entitlement amount, because nowadays that amount will receive for next 10 years. It is not for 1 year. This issue will go every 10 years. So I am concerned, or I am asking you, that what should be done in accounting in case of the private limited company about that which we are treating presently as surplus or reserves and surplus, industrial subsidy reserve.
You are crediting this 20 lakh rupees as a reserve.
Yes.
And
in private limited.
And that reserve you are writing back to profit.
I am not writing. I am keeping as it is in the books of accounts. But if you go to the accounting standard, it says you should write off that amount in 10 years.
We are talking about which accounting standards are not in sync with you. Is it with respect to government grants?
No, it is related to the fixed assets.
Fixed assets, there is no such a strain does not.
Yeah.
A strain you are talking about.
Yeah.
But what makes this write off over a period of years?
I am not doing because I have already given a full effect as per 43(1) in income tax.
Right.
If I write off again for every year 1/10 portion, it means that at the same amount I am offering twice as income. Of course, there is one more, I can disallow that amount, but many times the CPC may come in between and there will be new issues.
Then first let me understand. How you should discuss today. The first is that both you and British Master is on the same this thing that
Industrial subsidy is the income. Relates to your investment.
it relates to
You have made an investment as per the government scheme. Because of that, you are entitled certain amount of fixed incentive, which is nowadays 70% for new unit and
whatever
35% of expansion. So that much what you receive relates to investment, and because of that, instead of going to income, you must go to reducing it from cost of the asset.
Fair enough.
As per for the income tax.
Fair enough. So we are changing our stand from what we should do to 17, 18.
Yeah.
That expansion 10 we never used to apply. You only credited to the capital account or reserve account. You did not even reduce from the fixed asset. But because now there is a ICS, now you want to change the stand and you want to reduce it. Okay, fine. Going further, what is about the electricity duty exemption or reduction or reimbursement and interest reimbursement?
All these are nothing but the methods for calculating the incentive. These are the methods, these are the vehicles through which you should reach to the total amount entitlement.
These are additional benefits. The package given incentive, these are additional benefits.
But as you said, the very preamble of this subsidy scheme says that this is an encouragement for investment and industry encouragement. So the basic intention of giving whatever kind of subsidy, whether it is interest, electricity, or now main GST subsidy or industrial subsidy, this is all with related to investment. If that is the case, then it has to be applied to all the types of subsidies.
Yeah, of course, because assume someone makes an investment out of his own funds, there is no interest. That much amount you will get compensated in the GST refund or the electricity refund. Or somewhere if the electricity consumption is much lower, you will get the compensated elsewhere because the limit
Overall limit is what?
Is 10% or 70%. That means 7% of your interest you will get reimbursed every year based on your lot of submissions, CA certificate, GST return.
Yes. Conditions will not discuss. Principle will discuss. Overall limit that is fixed with respect to quantum of investment in the fixed assets. And within that you are getting all these types of subsidies. So all these subsidies, irrespective of the mechanism of calculation, they relate to fixed assets. So we are saying now that all these subsidies relate to fixed assets and therefore they should be reduced from the cost of the return of value of the fixed asset.
Yes, yes.
Sir, if you go to the GR, firstly they are speaking about the capital incentive based on the GST mechanism of the things. सुरुवातीला ज्यावेळी व्हॅट बेस्ड ज्यावेळी सबसिडी होती त्यावेळी सेंट्रल डिपार्टमेंटनं स्टेट गव्हर्नमेंटला दिलं होतं की आम्ही कुठले पैसे परत करत काय देणार नाही. त्या गव्हर्नमेंटने त्याला एक्सप्रेशन दिलं होतं की तुमचा उपयोग फक्त आम्ही कॅल्क्युलेशनसाठी करणार आहे, तुमच्याकडून कुठल्या पैशाची अपेक्षा नाही. हा सगळा पुढील गरज पडून झालेला होता. म्हणजे जीएसटी किंवा व्हॅट डिपार्टमेंट फक्त कॅल्क्युलेशनची पिक्चरमध्ये येतं आणि एन्करेजमेंटसाठी असल्यामुळे माझं म्हणणं आहे की जी बेसिक सबसिडी आहे 40%, 70%, ती जी पार्टमध्ये येते 5 वर्ष 10 वर्षामध्ये ती कॉस्ट ऑफ एक्ससेसमधून रिड्यूस होती. तुम्ही जर ॲडिशनल इन्सेंटिव्ह बघितल्या तर त्यामध्ये पॉवर टॅरिफ रिइंबर्समेंट शब्द आहे, इंटरेस्ट सबसिडी 5% रिइंबर्समेंट शब्द आहे. जे तुम्ही गव्हर्नमेंट तुमच्या बँकेला 13% देत असाल तर 5% तुम्हाला परत मिळते. पॉवर टॅरिफ तुम्हाला प्रत्येक युनिट कन्झ्युमरवर 50 पैसे किंवा 1 रुपये मिळेल आणि ड्युटी एक्झम्पशन तर तुम्हाला त्या बिलामध्ये लेस म्हणजे चार्जेस होत नाही, त्यामुळे त्याचा काय अकाउंटिंगचा विषय येणार नाही. यू आर चार्ज लेस. तर मला असं वाटतं की कॅपिटल इन्सेंटिव्ह आहे ते ब्लॉकमध्ये वजा झालं पाहिजे. इंटरेस्ट सबसिडी इज टॅक्सेबल ॲज रेव्हेन्यू इन्कम, पॉवर टॅरिफ इज टॅक्सेबल ॲज रेव्हेन्यू इन्कम, इलेक्ट्रिसिटी ड्युटी इज बेसिकली इट इज रिड्यूस इट्स द बिल, सो देर इज नो क्वेश्चन ऑफ रेव्हेन्यू इन्कम.
You are treating it as revenue. Power tariff you are actually treating it as
because it is a reimbursement, sir. Reimbursement.
Electricity
ड्युटी कसे आहे, ड्युटी तुम्हाला
इलेक्ट्रिसिटी तुम्ही काय करता, बिलच नेट अकाउंट करता ना.
हां 7.5 म्हणजे रेव्हेन्यू
You are treating it as income only. So what happens to this quantum of land that is considered here, because land is a non-depreciable asset. The question now comes, if we accept this that this relates to the investment.
लँडचा जो पोर्शन आहे तुम्ही सांगितलं प्रपोर्शनेट पोर्शन लँडच्या कॉस्टमध्ये रिड्यूस होणार तो पण.
Non-depreciable asset portion of the subsidy has to be offered as income.
हे कॉस्ट कमी होणार नाही.
Not allowed. ICD does not allow this.
पण when you speak the
See, कसं आहे बघा, ICDची कन्सेप्ट सिंपल आहे. आयदर आता तर तुम्ही इन्कम ऑफर करा नाही तर डिफर पद्धतीने ऑफर करा तर ती इन्कम आहे. म्हणजे when you talk of the non-depreciable asset over a period of time it has to be offered as income. Means it cannot go without that.
जसं आपण भौतिकच्या अमाऊंट कॉस्ट ऑफ ॲक्विजिशन म्हणून कमी करतो लँड ॲक्विजिशन.
No.
तो mechanism आहे ना.
Then that is not allowed. Na, see here, non-depreciable assets. Either it will fall in this clause or it will fall in the residual clause.